Good day, everyone. My name is Christopher Kalawale. Welcome back to my channel, and it's been a very long time since I've seen you. So today we're going to create a very fun game called 9 Cup Monte. It's a remastered version of 3 Cup Monte, except I made it 9. So let's prepare for the video. And I'll show you the code, and we'll do our quiz and motivational quotes with a special thanks. Without further ado, let's see the code itself. So here I have with me is from random import shuffle. So random is a built-in module in Python that generates random numbers. Like if you put it in a list now, let's say 1, 2, 3. So when the code is running itself, it's give you 2, then the next thing 1. Then the next thing 3, then the next thing 1, then the next thing 3, then the next thing 2, then the next thing 1, then the next thing 3, then the next thing so forth and so forth. It will just give you random, all according to what's on the list. So here with me is def shuffle list, then my list. So shuffle is a program in Python that allows the program itself, to shuffle items in a list. So def shuffle list my list. So shuffle my list, then return my list. So the return, as they call it, is when the program runs, it will return the list with it. So example now, I have my list with me. So if it runs with the shuffle list, the program is there, it will run with the shuffle list. So print 9, welcome to 9 Cup Monte. Print about 9 Cup Monte. So it's like a shuffling game. Let me also do some quick stuff. You know the new line function that I discussed with you with the last lesson? Yes. There we go. Let me also do it to the rest of it. There we go, that should do it. So that there can be less code in our program. So it's like a shuffling game. Example, 9 cups are shuffled. You close your eyes and choose which one is the chosen one. Rules, here are the rules of the game. So if you pick the wrong guess, you'll see the ball emoji, which I'll put in a matter of moments. The cup will go along with the motivating feedback. If you guess correctly, you'll receive a positive feedback. Keep your eyes closed while playing. Sometimes intuition leads to success, which is actually true. So do not disclose your answer to anyone unless they're genuinely confused. That means do not show your answer in any ways except you're confused. So once the game is over, you receive your results. Ensure you play with the numbers within the specified range, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you play a number like 10, 11, 12, it's gonna give you an error straight. So without further ado, let's play 9 Cup Monte. Choose a number from 1 to 9. You can wait meanwhile I bring a ball emoji. So I've updated the code by putting the ball emoji, but the ball is the disco ball, which will make it clear sense that this is a very fun project. So def player guess is, I don't know what it is. Let me do it again. There we go. Guess is that, and then while guess not in guess. Yes, while guess not in this list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if the guess is not in this, guess input. Pick a number from 1 to 9, then return the input guess. So like I've stated, it will return the guess like that. It will not run at all. It's just like a comment. Def check guess, my list and guess. So if my list guess is definitely the disco ball, congratulations. You are a winner. Congratulations, you are a winner. Yes. So if you don't win, print my list. Do not worry. Famous people like Einstein get things wrong. You're still growing even if you fail. Everyone's a winner. So my list, quote, 4 in range, 9. Chosen index equals to 5. So that's the index you should choose. So my list, chosen index equals to disco ball, then mixed up list, shuffle list, my list. So guess, player guess, check guess, mixed up list, and guess. So this is simply meaning that the mixed up list that I have here, the mixed up list is the shuffle list, my list. So it would be from this place. So the player guess would be from here, which is the function that I've defined with the def keyword, as I've stated in previous lessons. So check guess, mixed up list, and guess. So both of this combined, check your guess if it's correct or not. So we're gonna run this program like very good people, and then after then we can now do our quiz, our special thanks, and our motivational word for the day. Here we go. Here's the run program. Welcome to Cup Monte. About Cup Monte, it's like a shuffling game. Example, 9 cups are shuffled. You close your eyes and you choose which one is the one. So rules. Here are the rules of the game, like I've stated before. So let's play Cup Monte. Choose a number from 1 to 9. Pick a number from 1 to 9. I might have to close my eyes, but I can try guessing it randomly. Oh, whoopsies. Looks like the disco ball program didn't work, so I have to put back the yo. So let's do it again, because it's better with the yo. Please tell me I pick this right. It's alright, it's alright. Everyone fails. Sometime I have to do it. Try again statement. Yay! We are the winners here. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to us. Oh, here comes the quiz. Here comes the quiz. So let's start our quiz. And we have 15 seconds for each question. Now let's go. Three, two, one. The answer is lists. It's from my list function, as you can see from my program. That's why I'm not going back, because I've stated everything already. There we go. They're used to store multiple items in a single variable. Next. Three, two, one. Is the definition of a function in Python. That's why I repeat questions, so that we can keep getting stronger no matter what. So the three other data structures, apart from lists, we have dictionaries, which we have discussed in tic-tac-toe, sets, and tuples. Yes, lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. Those are the four data structures you need if you want to know Python, just like I do. Come on, everyone's a winner. 3, 2, 1. It's the built-in function from the random module that shuffles items in a certain list. That's true. Don't fall for such options. That's what mislead you. The answer is C. That's why I keep repeating questions, so that you can have a go. Have a go at the easy ones, so that the tougher ones can remain simple. And some of the tougher ones I've stated it in the video. Come on, you got this. I wouldn't say anything about that one. That one was as easy as hell. Generates random numbers in Python. I've stated this. I'm not going to say anything about this one because I've just stated it in the video. Come on, you can do it. And one final question before we go to our special thanks and motivational word for the day. This is engage in activities for you and thank me for it. So it's true that an if statement can be used twice in programs in Python. Like example now, in JavaScript, you can use an if statement twice. If I come to C++ videos, I can also show you if statements. If statements can be used also twice there. If statements can be used twice in any programming language. And that's it, we've completed the quiz. And as you may know, I've updated my special thanks. So not just them, I've also added some people. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. It's been a blast to have you again with my channel. And if you're one of the ones subscribing, I thank you for it. I thank you very much. Now, the motivational word for the day is that if you want to achieve something, you have to go through great and great things, great and greater heights in order to achieve something. You have to go through all the skills you've got in order to achieve one particular thing you wish to achieve. For I've spent almost like 3 years trying to master Python. And at the end of the day, I'm ending up teaching people also who have not also gained the experience, but I can try explaining it to you bit by bit until you understand. So that's my own motivational quote for the day. If you want to achieve something, you have to go through great things, greater and greater heights, climb greater and greater mountains in order to achieve it. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any positive comments and if you have any other ideas, contact me in the comments. See you in the next video.